Girl, I know you're falling.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. And hello to anybody that is new and has never watched my videos before. Thank you for watching. I am Sophie Hannah. Well, Sophie Hannah Richardson, but I'm getting married soon and my name's changing. So I've rebranded to just Sophie Hannah because that's what I want to be known as moving forward. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you some lazy day hairstyles. So for those days where you wake up and you really can't be bothered to spend more than 5 minutes or even 2 minutes on your hair. So I've got 4 hairstyles for you today. They're super easy to create. All you need is some elastic bands and invisible balls, some hair grips, not really anything to create these looks. I'm not going to use any heat at all. My hair is just blow dried from after I washed it, but I'm not going to use any curling tongs, no straighteners, nothing else on my hair, no products. So yeah, let's get into it. Here's number 1.
Girl, I know you're falling. Pretty sure I'm falling too, but my friends keep calling. There's a party on the roof, so let's dance till morning, cause there's no more time to lose. Oh yeah. There's a man who loves you, but I ain't wearing his shoes. Don't wanna say goodnight, girl, but I think it's time you choose. What you want tomorrow might not wait for you. To be honest, I don't wanna love you, I just wanna make mistakes. To be honest, I don't wanna slow dance, I just wanna feel the rain. To be honest, I just want a summer, I just want a summer thing. I just want a summer, I just want a summer thing. I just want a summer, I just want a summer thing. I just want a summer thing. We could burn like embers, or we could go down in flames. And when you need some closure, I will be the one to blame. But we're young right now, girl, you don't have to be afraid. Oh yeah, I won't hold you back, no, cause there ain't no more to say. And you can keep the picture, baby, I'll just keep the frame. And we built sandcastles just to let them blow away. Just a summer thing. Just a summer thing. To be honest, I don't wanna love you, I just wanna make mistakes. To be honest, I don't wanna slow dance, I just wanna feel the rain. To be honest, I just want a summer, I just wanna...
So that's it. They were the 4 super easy hairstyles to create if you're having a bit of a lazy day. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Please subscribe if you're not already. All you have to do is click the button here. I think it's here. I'm not sure. It might be this side. Who knows? But yeah, thanks for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.